dear friends, and today I am going to teach you how to make a tulip. So please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. So let's begin. Now first we are going to make the flower part, its petals. So what you'll do is take this yellow sheet and fold it like this. Now what you'll do is open this thing up and fold it like this into half from the other side. Now what you'll do is you'll let it be like this and take this flap. Now this point should be till the center. So what you will do is fold this whole thing like this. Now you'll have to guess how much you have to fold, and same from this side. Like this, and your petal part is done. Now what you'll do is you will take this tip and push it inside like that. Here is your petal done. Now the stem. So for the stem, what you will do is fold this thing into half triangle. Now open it up and again fold it from the other side. Now your next step will be you'll open it up and fold it like this. Same from the other side. Now what you'll do is you'll take this thing and fold it like this till the center line. Same on the other side. Now after this, what you'll do is fold this thing like this into half. Like this. Now what you'll do is fold this green flap like this, not till the center but little down, little below the center, like this. Now your next step will be you'll take little this part and from here you'll take this whole thing till here like this. Now this is your stem part. Now your stem is done. Now what you'll do is take your petal and your stem. Now you will put your stem inside like this. Like what you can do is just fold this thing a little inside like this and put it inside this flower. And here this flower is done. So what you'll do is just stick this part inside and stick this thing here so that it would not break again. So here your flower is completed. So thank you guys for watching the video. Here's your flower completed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. And bye guys. Meet you in my next video.